Yee! Welcome to Ngagambar channel. Today, I want to draw and coloring jellyfish. Let's go! For the first step, let's create an outline of the jellyfish. Choose black. Now make bell-shaped body of jellyfish. Now make arms. Now make eyes and mouth. Okay, done. Now repeat for 2 more jellyfish. Okay, now make 1 more. Yeah, it's done. The outline of the jellyfish is complete. Okay, now time for coloring. Let's go. Now, choose light pink color. Now color the bell-shaped body of jellyfish. Okay, done. Now select the turquoise color. Let's color the jellyfish's arms. Yes, the first jellyfish is done. Okay, now coloring the second jellyfish. Let's choose blue color. Now choose yellow color to fill the jellyfish arms. Alright, the second jellyfish is done. Okay, now for the last jellyfish, let's color it. Okay, now choose pastel blue color. Next, choose red color. Yes. Finally, the third jellyfish is done. And I have finished drawing and coloring 3 jellyfish. Hooray! All the jellyfish are so cute. How about your drawing results? I'm sure your drawing results are better than mine. Okay, see you in the next video.